So it is currently 9:23 p.m. and you guys already know, whenever I film at night, that means we're going for a drive to the city. So that's exactly what this is, guys. Now all we have to figure out is what car are we gonna take? Are we gonna take the Supra, which you guys know is finally registered? It's looking half decent with the new hood and the refinished headlight, or do we take the G80 M3, which is wrapped with the Nosatex Aventura Green? I'm kind of leaning towards taking the M3. I know a lot of you guys prefer the M3 content anyways, so this way we can find a way to get some more M3 content, because otherwise, I just dropped my hoodie. Otherwise, we're usually just working on the Supra. We're not really working on the M3 too much right now, so it'll be nice just to take it for a drive. There's a weird smell of smoke outside, by the way. I hate the smell of smoke. Anyways, let's get a cold start. Sounds really good, but right now my kids are sleeping, so we're actually gonna close the exhaust. That's one of the great things about the Dailer valve controller. Anyways, one more thing before we go. I want to grab something from the Supra, making sure not to hit my other car. This right over here, much better. Anyways, at this point, guys, let's head out because we're probably gonna be the last ones there. Zoom in on that. There you go. No, hey, why'd you stop?
Oh,
starting
reels is short clip.
We're starting in only cars. That's how we make the real money. Anyways, look who it is. That's how I always introduce you to the vlogs. Look who it is. You guys have been like in every single vlog so far. I have like,
again, and we're here.
Bro, I just finished a workout. But yeah, I'm still like heated. So anyways, yeah, we got the 435, 440, 435, and the beautiful G80. I think it was a good choice bringing the G80. I was debating taking the Supra. I think I told you already. It's not ready yet. Once we get it ready, a little more, at least like coilovers, spacers.
I was hoping to race it today.
Yeah, I mean, not with those tires, not in this cold. But this is a nice problem to have. Like debating which car to take, it's a nice problem. Until the car payment hits. Not on the Supra though, that one's paid in cash. But the M3 is a car payment enough for like 4 cars. But can we just appreciate this? Look at this, oh my God. Bro, the wrap looks so good underneath the gas station lighting. It looks less like Isle of Man green. One's like, isn't that a factory color? It's not, it's similar. There's no color you can get that's not like a factory color. BMW makes every color. You get a red, it's gonna be like, isn't that like Toronto red? No, it's a different red. You get a blue, isn't that Voodoo blue? Isn't that Portimao blue? It's every color. But it's beautiful, look at that. Anyways, Styx is taking reels and I'm kind of messing it up for him. Look at the focus on this guy right now.
Yo, my hands are mad steady now, bro. I think it's because I made some money. Yo, your car's leaking, bro.
Is it? Look. Oh no.
My car is broken.
I'm not gonna film the boring drive up until the city, but once we get closer to the city, I'll put the GoPro on and you guys can see all the lights and stuff like that. That's where the real interesting stuff happens, not on the drive there. This guy. Gonna get us kicked out. All right, that's our cue to leave. Oh my goodness. And this is a stock G80. Imagine if I actually tuned this car. Man. Gotta be careful with these. These bumps are crazy, man. Oh my God. Oh, I scraped. These like, oh, I scraped again. Dude, what? All right, we can't try to drive over the center because I'd rather hit them. Yeah, it's a good thing we have that skid plate thing because I swear we would have definitely destroyed the oil cooler by now with all those hits. guys can see Times Square just up ahead. If you guys ever wonder why we come to the city so often, one, I think it makes for good content. It's just interesting. I mean, look at all this. It definitely beats where I normally drive and where I live. Also, not only that, like, you do get some good reactions from people. Like, there's some weird stuff that happens every time I feel like I come to the city. So again, it just makes for good content, and also it's just interesting to see, you know, like, this is what New York unfortunately is known for. So it's cool for you guys to see if you live in somewhere like Minnesota or even California, I don't know, something like that. Hey.
By the red stairs.
Yo, sick. What's that? Hey, let's go. Sick car, bro. That's
you
funny.
Just had the light, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yo.
Who did that?
that was a G, I think it's a G35, or it's a G35 or G37. He just said, he passed by me, he's like, yo, I watched you on YouTube. I was like, yo.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Yo, his car sounded insane. Bro, I hope he's watching this video right now, bro. Your car sounds insane if you are.
He got you.
It's so disappointingly quiet.
Why is it quiet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do something. Yeah, turn into the street where we're going.
JD, you're more quiet than me.
Oh my god. I know.
Look at the oh, she doesn't like it.
Wow.
That lady just turned and made a disgusted face. This is what I mean, guys. Like, whenever you go to Times Square, you definitely get more interesting reactions.
I miss my loud exhaust.
Yeah, JD, your car makes my car sound loud, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Dude, my car is still quiet though. It was a good change though. I'll be honest.
Yeah, no, it's definitely nicer, but it's not as exciting.
It's not.
Yalla habibi. Oh. I'm coming behind you. Hold on, don't reverse yet. I'm a reverse, and then you can take up as much as you need, habibi. Bro, I can't see out of my freaking window. I can't see my side mirror. Oh, smells like hashish. Oof. Don't stink up my M3 with that, man. Ew, brother. What's that, brother? Let's make sure we don't get hit. Ugh. The POV of Times. Ow, I just hit the car. Lion King.
So if you were wondering what I was doing.
With what?
Data logging.
You're data logging?
Yeah. So that's why I was.
You look really cool on the POV. It's like you're me. Bro, wait. It's like, hey guys, this is my life. You know what I mean? It's pretty cool.
You're just like my cameraman now. So guys, come on, let's go. So this is
Wait, oh, there he is. Do we have space for him?
Ow.
Right in there. Bro, that was pretty funny that the guy actually saw my YouTube channel.
Yeah, his car was loud.
His car was decked out too, bro. His car looked crazy.
It was nice.
It was nicer than this, bro. If you're watching this video, why do you watch my videos? Your car. BMW drivers, am I right? I hate them too. Look how good she looks. Oh my God. I love this car so much. Don't hit me, please. Look at that. That looks sick. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips. That was actually yesterday or the day before. I don't even know. I lost track at this point. But anyways, what I wanted to do is fill you guys in on the fate of the M3. If you guys have been following the channel, you'll know that recently I talked about potentially selling this car. I gave a whole bunch of reasons why and a whole explanation, so I'm not gonna repeat myself. Shout out to you guys who actually watched that video and listened to the explanations. Some of you guys even commented that when you first saw that I was thinking about selling it, you're like iffy about it, but then once I explained myself, you're like, yeah, that makes sense. So thank you guys for listening and understanding, but we have reached a conclusion. Now I know this is kind of random in this video, but since we went out and enjoyed the M3, honestly that kind of inspired the conclusion of the M3. And not only that, I actually talked to my wife about it. And yeah, that's it guys. We've decided. Specifically, we decided to keep
the M3. That's right, guys, we are not going to be selling it. I'm going to be removing it off Facebook Marketplace. I've actually been talking to dealerships as well, potentially trading this car in. Believe it or not, guys, this thing holds its value really well. And a big reason why this M3 in particular held its value really well are these right over here, the carbon bucket seats. M3s that have the carbon bucket seats hold their value way better than M3s that don't. But anyways, guys, that's right, we decided not to sell the M3. One, honestly, going out that night and just enjoying the car with my friends, I even got some reactions from random people who actually watched my channel and they recognized the M3, and just seeing people's reactions of the car, it just, I don't know, it kind of made me fall in love with it again. So the point is, although we don't really have too many mods left to do to this car, we still can go out, enjoy it, take it for drives, just have fun with the car, and we still can make videos with it. So if you guys enjoy those types of videos, let me know, because I'll definitely make more like them, specifically about the M3 and soon about the Supra as well, since this car is, well, we'll leave that for another day. Now, I mentioned I talked to my wife about it too, and she kind of grounded me a little bit, which she does a lot, but what she told me was, this car is not just special to me, it's special to her as well. Her and I both built this car, we both spec'd it out. I've said it a few times before, but in case you guys missed it, the ivory interior was always my wife's choice. She's the one who picked this interior. She always loved ivory and always wanted it on her car, but since, you know, the X5 or the family car is her car, we couldn't really do ivory because, well, we have the kids in that car all the time, so it didn't make sense. But as a compromise and also just out of like love and respect for my wife, I picked ivory on the M3 for her. I actually wanted the orange, but she wanted the ivory, so I picked the ivory. So she loves this M3. We also take this car out whenever we go on like date nights and stuff like that. So it's more than just YouTube with the M3. So she said that she would honestly be heartbroken if she saw the M3 go. So yeah, guys, the boss approved. So we're keeping it. Now, what does this mean for the channel? Well, it means we're just gonna keep on going as usual. We're gonna keep on restoring and fixing up the Supra. We are gonna still do videos about the M3. I mean, I've been using it on TikTok a lot too, which, by the way, shameless plug, if you guys aren't already, go follow me on TikTok, help me out. Hopefully I can get monetized there as well. Everything I said in my previous video still stands true, but I guess we're making more of like a passion decision at this point. But anyways, with that said, this video's pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.